Learn how to install bathroom wall porcelain tiles step by step like a professional tile installer in this detail. Bathroom renovation tutorial. In this video, we show the complete process of porcelain wall tile installation for bathrooms, including wall preparation, surface leveling, tile adhesive application, tile spacing, cutting porcelain tiles accurately, and achieving a clean modern finish for shower walls and bathroom interiors. Whether you are a beginner, homeowner, construction worker, or professional tile installer, this tutorial will help you understand the correct techniques for installing large porcelain wall tiles with precision and durability. Watch the transformation from rough bathroom walls into a beautiful modern porcelain bathroom design using professional tools and advanced tiling methods. In this complete bathroom wall tiling guide, you will discover how to prepare bathroom walls before tiling, best methods for porcelain wall tile installation, tips for applying tile adhesive evenly, how to align wall tiles perfectly, professional techniques for cutting porcelain tiles, installing bathroom corner tiles neatly, how to avoid uneven tile surfaces, wall leveling tips before porcelain installation, modern bathroom renovation ideas, how professionals achieve smooth tile joints, correct spacing and alignment methods, bathroom waterproofing preparation tips, finishing touches for a luxury bathroom look. Porcelain wall tiles are one of the best choices for modern bathrooms because they are durable, water resistant, easy to clean, and stylish. In this video, you will see the full installation process from start to finish using practical methods that improve tile quality and create a professional result. This bathroom porcelain tiling tutorial is perfect for people searching for how to install bathroom wall tiles. How to install porcelain tiles, bathroom wall tile installation, modern bathroom tiling ideas, professional tile installation, bathroom renovation tutorial, porcelain wall tile design, wall tile adhesive techniques, DIY bathroom tile installation, luxury bathroom wall tiles, bathroom makeover ideas, and ceramic and porcelain tile installation techniques. If you enjoy construction videos, tile installation tutorials, terrazzo flooring, ceramic tile work, marble installation, and professional renovation content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you never miss new videos about modern flooring and wall finishing techniques. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Your comments, ideas, and suggestions help improve future videos and motivate us to continue sharing professional construction and tiling tutorials for everyone around the world.